why did you buy a Ryker? All had our different journeys why we got our Ryker, for any specific reason. Some people haven't rode in years. I haven't rode in 10 years. I came from two wheels. This feels nothing like a two-wheel bike, but it gets me out on the road. It's filling that gap where, I'm all in my head. I needed something else to do, like an activity. So this has become my activity. Fixing the bike, being able to ride it when I can ride it, when I do have time. Accessories on, if you can see, from the bike, I powder coated the wheels. I've gotten some like tough skin. It was already wrapped. The guy already had wrapped it white. But I've entertained myself for 2 months, and then other things came up. I haven't rode it much in the last 2 months. I've been trying to get my home ready for sale. I'm actually moving out to Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I'm hoping to get better weather out there than out here in North Jersey for the winter. So I hope to ride it a lot more there. Write a comment down below why'd you get yours, or grab your cell phone and take a video. We all have a YouTube account. We could all kind of get to see each other's Rykers and see what we've done to it. A lot of people post on Facebook, Instagram, but YouTube's a good platform too. You could take a short video, upload it, and just put the link in the comments below. And we could kind of all see each other's journey. I've explained what my journey was, and so far I haven't regretted. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing what your Rykers have to offer. Later.